everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travers with Sharma. Today I am creating this look without foundation. If you are someone who have been following me since a long time, you might know I don't use foundations. I only go in with BB cream and skin tints. So you're gonna see a look which is minimal, which is subtle, which you can go in with like your get-togethers, your office parties, and even during weddings if you like minimal makeup. So let's get started with our no foundation makeup look. First, I'm using this product from Foxtail, which I got like last week. It is the Super Glow Moisturizer. And I literally misunderstood this product because I thought this product does not work until a person told me that you have to apply this generously. And I listened to her and I again used it, and this product actually works. So let me show you all. It's a moisturizer, so I've already applied like my serum today. So I'm taking this much product, which is actually too much for my skin. The moment it gets settled with my skin or it starts glowing. As you guys can see, there's a little bit highlight on my face, on my forehead. So I've seen people doing no foundation makeup look, but then they are promoting applying concealer all over their face. But honestly, I feel like concealer and foundations are so similar in terms of, because both of them provide like a good coverage. So here I'm not going with that. I'm not using any sort of product which gives you much more coverage. I'm giving you something that will enhance your face, that will give you a nice glow, natural glow kind of look, which also looks amazing for winters. And that's why I have my favorite product, which I uses religiously. More than 3 years I have been using this product. It's probably my third bottle and I use it with a very less amount. Let me show you all. This is the Mars BB cream in the shade medium, and it's going to get over, I think, probably by next month. So let me show you all how you can apply this to get that skin-like finish. So I take only this much product, which is like enough for my face. At times, use my fingers, or I either go with the brush. So I'm gonna show you how I can easily apply it with my hands. I'm just gonna dab it. It can easily be blendable. As you guys can see, I don't need to like pat my face too much. And yeah, this is how we just got done with our base. It's so easy. Because I'm also doing the winter makeup look through this no foundation look, I've also gone with like a very light sort of eyeshadow. So that's it. I'm not gonna go overboard with this. I just need to highlight. Yeah, I just got done with this. This winter I have tried to also include eyeliner as much as possible. I feel like kajal looks much better for little bit of that smoky feel. So I'm going in with the kajal from Faces Canada. So I just got done with my eyeliner. I've also started using mascara. But first I go in with the eyelash curler, which I use it like this. I don't have straight lashes, I have down lashes. So they're not like this, they're like this. It's very difficult to curl them. Now I should remove it. Just look at the curl. I love it. This eyelash curler is so good. I'll add each and every product in the description for you all. I really feel like kajal does not look good on me, but I don't like my under eye to be this bland. So I just add like, I started from here and just this much. Just go a little dark and that's it. And at times I also smudge it. Just look at the way my eyes are not highlighting too much, how subtle my eyes are looking because of a little bit of kajal on my under eye. This is something that I also started doing since last December. I love it how I'm doing new things with makeup. Lip liner, sorry, let me just apply a little bit of lip balm because my lips have gotten dry. Before I apply my lipstick, I make sure that I apply lip balm because especially in winters it is so important. Okay, I think I've got done with my eyes. I've got done with my base. I'm just gonna go directly in with blush. I'm just gonna go in with this blush from inside. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Little bit on nose because we are doing winter makeup. How come it won't be on nose? Just gonna dab it. I feel like it's too much. Okay. I like that flush out look in winters, and I've also used too much blush this time. It actually looks so pretty. This is actually too much blush, but I'm not hating it, I'm liking it. I feel like I can only do this in winters. So for lipstick, I'm going in with the Maybelline's Ultimatte 799 More Taupe, which I was gifted. So first let's do the lip liner thing. This is the lip liner from Mars, which is the Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 09 Steamy Pink. What I do is I fill my corners along with, and I also add one more line of lip liner so that I can have that pink sort of touch to my lips. If you guys don't know, I love the combination of brown and pink. And when I have like a pink lip liner going on, I definitely go in with a brown lipstick. Just look at the shade, dude. I think we just got done with the makeup. Because I've applied lip balm before lipstick, it actually looks like I've applied a gloss. Well, I'm not really a gloss person, but I like a little bit of shine going on with my lips. So when I feel like not going in with eyeliner or any sort of eye makeup, then I just go in with the blush, lipstick and my BB cream. So this is the final look. I think you guys can see this properly. I love the blush look. If you are someone who applies skin tint and all, you might know that how amazing it is to not apply foundation. And I've been someone who has not used foundation since more than 10-12 years. I'm sure you all might be surprised of how amazing it is looking. The best part is you don't feel heavy on your skin because of the light coverage, which also enhances in such a better way. And since the time skin tints, BB cream are in, I think more and more brands are launching their own skin tint, and that is amazing because I'm also thinking about trying some new skin tints, which I will definitely review on my channel. But yeah, if you guys have watched it till here, thank you so much for watching. If you want to get this look, all the products are in the description and you are already aware of the steps that I have used. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.